Today you have listened Sri Vaishnav sir regarding budget allocations in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. So I would like to mention here that Andhra Pradesh got a record budget allocation this year amounting to rupees 9,417 crore, which is little more 260 crores higher compared to last year's budget allocations of 9,151 crores. So there is a definitely a growth. It will give much emphasis growth to the various projects falling in Andhra Pradesh area and Waltair division in particular. As you know that Waltair division is making around 11 stations under Andhra Pradesh state into Amrit Bharat stations as well as station redevelopment scheme. So these 10 stations you must be knowing, that is Duvada, Simachalam, Kotavalsa, Chiprupalli, Vijayanagaram, Srikakulam, Naupada, Bobili, Parvatipuram and Araku. Apart from that, one major station redevelopment work is undergoing at Visakhapatnam. So the total cost is around, project cost is around 800 crores. So after completion of this, definitely Andhra Pradesh is going to get a much needed impetus in the station redevelopment and overall satisfactions of general passengers and staffs as well. So this year we have introduced 3 Vande Bharat Express originating from Visakhapatnam. Total 4 Vande Bharat Express we are running right now, 2 to the Secunderabad. Both the Secunderabad bound Vande Bharat Express have been upgraded to 20 coaches, considering into the growing demands. Earlier it was around 150% occupation. Now considering this growing demand, we have converted it to 20 coaches. Each of the Vande Bharat towards Secunderabad is now with 20 coaches. So this is basically to fulfill the demand of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Apart from that, 2 more Vande Bharats have been introduced in this year, that is towards Bhubaneswar and one more towards Chhattisgarh, Durg. Apart from these 4 Vande Bharat, we are also running one Amrit Bharat Express train. Honorable Railway Minister have mentioned that 2 Amrit Bharat train right now are running. That is, one is passing through Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh, straight, that is from Malda to Bangalore. So further, sir has announced that 15 Namo trains and 200 Vande Bharat Express trains and 100 Amrit Bharat trains have been sanctioned. So it will be introduced in phases. We have already upgraded 200 kilometers of track into 130 kmph speed and 100 kilometer tracks into 110 kmph speed. Apart from that, this year we are looking forward to complete 57 kilometer more tracks into 110 kmph speed potential. The Honorable Minister has also announced that this year projects amounting to rupees 40,000 crores, near to 40,000 crores has been sanctioned in the current year in the Andhra Pradesh area on various project accounts. The total investments of the various projects which are undergoing in Andhra Pradesh area is amounting to rupees 84,559 crores. So as you know that Waltair division is totally 100% electrified, and we are also training our staffs into Kavach, to acquaint with Kavach. We have already started inculcating trainings on Kavach technology to our existing staffs. They are now undergoing phase-wise training at Secunderabad training institutes, that is ERISET, which is also been named as Center of Excellence. So we are sending our staffs phase wise to get acquainted with the Kavach technology. So these are the the budget highlights. The details of the budget project wise it will come after some time. It will normally appear in the pink book of railway board budget, in which details of the amount allocations to each of the projects will be allotted, and we'll all get to know the various project and the new sanctioned project also. This I wanted to tell you. It is already in Andhra Pradesh area pertaining to Waltair division. We have covered 11 stations. 11 stations. That is, can I tell you the stations again? These are Duvada, Simhachalam, Kotavalsa, Araku, Vijayanagaram, then Chiprupalli, Srikakulam, Naupada, Bobili and Parvatipuram. These are the 10 stations have been taken under Amrit Bharat station scheme, and one major station redevelopment, that is Visakhapatnam, at a cost of near to 500 crores. It is better ride, better comfort. This thing common man is going to get at a better speed. Speed potential is also 130 right now. Okay. Since our tracks have been upgraded from Palasa to Visakhapatnam at a speed of 130 km, I just now mentioned 200 kilometer section between this Palasa to Visakhapatnam has been upgraded. Okay, so this is basically a miniature, or you can say similar kind of Vande Bharat, filling to the common man passengers at low cost. The 16 coaches Vande Bharat between this Visakhapatnam to Durg has been, it has been reduced to 8 coaches right now. So just now I think some 10 days back or 15 days back it has been done. So because of this low occupancy, but there is a demand from Parvatipuram, Bobili, Vijayanagaram particularly, because they are the businessmen or the passengers whoever, they are commuting between these areas to Durg Bhilai area. So it is there. So once we get more patronization, then we can increase the coaches also.
Hi viewers, Vizagvision ఛానల్ ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. మా ఛానల్ అందిస్తున్న జాతీయ అంతర్జాతీయ స్థాయి వార్తా విశేషాలు నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం ఇక్కడ కనిపిస్తున్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ ని క్లిక్ చేయండి.